close your eyes and take a deep breath. Right now, your person is thinking about you, but they aren't just thinking. They are feeling a sudden, overwhelming urge to let the entire world know that you belong together. In this meditation, you aren't just hoping for a text. You are shifting the energy so that they feel proud to stand by your side. By the end of these 5 minutes, you will feel the physical shift in your reality. If you are ready to be claimed, honored, and shown off to the world, stay with me until the very last second. The final seconds contain the most potent energy to seal in this meditation. Now focus on your heart center. Imagine a warm golden light glowing there. This is your magnetic field. As you breathe in, this light grows. As you breathe out, any doubt, any feeling of being hidden or second best leaves your body like dark smoke. Feel the shift. You are no longer someone waiting for a sign. You are the prize. Feel the sensation of their hand holding yours in a crowded room. Feel the pride in their chest when they introduce you to their family, their friends, and their followers. This is a physical weight lifting off your shoulders. You are safe. You are seen. Now repeat these affirmations in your mind or out loud, letting each word vibrate through your soul. My person is obsessed with showing me off to the world. Every day, their desire to claim me publicly grows stronger. I am the standard of love and devotion in their life. They are posting me, introducing me, and celebrating me everywhere. It feels so natural for them to shout their love for me from the rooftops. Our relationship is a beacon of light that everyone admires. My person is obsessed with showing me off to the world. Every day, their desire to claim me publicly grows stronger. I am the standard of love and devotion in their life. They are posting me, introducing me, and celebrating me everywhere. It feels so natural for them to shout their love for me from the rooftops. Our relationship is a beacon of light that everyone admires. It is done. Now visualize them taking a photo of you, looking at it with a smile, and hitting post with a caption that tells the world exactly who you are to them. You can feel it coming, can't you? The reality is already shifting. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room and carry this feeling of being chosen with you throughout your day. Before leaving, I want you to claim this energy right now. Go to the comments and type, "I am cherished, chosen, and shown off by," and their initials. Let the universe see your intention.